Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bonbons out of cardboard. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardboard, a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler for precise measurements, and a pencil for marking. Don't forget some reliable craft glue to hold everything together. Also, have your chosen decorative items ready, like colorful paints or patterned wrapping paper, to make your bonbons truly unique. Now, let's create the main body of your bonbon. Take your cardboard and cut a rectangle that is about 4 inches wide and 6 inches long. This size works well for a standard bonbon. Carefully roll this rectangular piece into a tight cylinder. Once you have the desired shape, apply a thin line of craft glue along the overlapping edge and press it firmly to secure the seam. Hold it for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Next, we'll add those distinctive twisted ends. Cut 2 circles from your cardboard, each measuring approximately 2.5 inches in diameter. Apply a small amount of glue around the rim of one end of your cylinder and attach a cardboard circle, allowing some of the circle to extend beyond the cylinder's edge. Repeat this for the other end. Once the glue is slightly tacky, gently twist the overhanging cardboard to create the iconic bonbon wrapper look. Finally, it's time for the fun part, decorating your cardboard bonbon. Let your creativity shine. You can paint your bonbon with vibrant colors, use markers to draw intricate patterns, or wrap it in beautiful decorative paper. For an extra touch of sparkle, consider adding glitter, small ribbons, or even tiny beads. Experiment with different textures and colors to make each bonbon unique and visually delightful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.